gonna see how far can this guy go just using the controller with the iPad mini. I wish there's some adjustment on the camera that you can make it a little bit brighter, because right now it's like low light, and it's really low light. So we're gonna go ahead and see the difference. There you go. So I'm going already. I still have visual. I'm gonna go ahead and go. I know it's really bumpy ride over here. That's why I recommend, if you do have this, you would use the to make it more smooth, rock solid, you can use the, okay, do I still got a clearance? Let's see. All right, you can see here the Wi-Fi interference changes a little bit. I can see it over there still turning around. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, so it's very bitly delay. Let me go back again. All right, so delayed right now. Okay. It's going. I still have a little bit of a signal. I still got signal. Now it's breaking off right here. Let me see if I can go to that bench at least. Oh wow. So about right here, I mean, that's like a football field already. When you measure that, you're beyond football field. So yes, the controller is a little bit better. With the, how you call this? Yeah, because I can still able to go back more. See, I'm way out there now. I'm like with a basketball court, I'm sorry. And I'm doing this in extreme wind, guys. Wow. And I'm still way out there. And it could be a Wi-Fi interference, because see where I'm now, I'm in a Wi-Fi interference zone. So, but I can see, I mean, I'm way out there already. I'm way out there, so I'm gonna go ahead and go more forward. I still got visual. Yep, the Wi-Fi is still better. That's already like more than a football field. So I'm by the car already. So just letting you know. You see that? I'm way out there by the car, so I'm far away. So that's like, you know, do I say a football field? Look like it's more than, yeah. Wow, interesting. So I'm way out there, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn around now. All right, and I'm going over here. Remember, the Robomaster don't have brakes, so So it's coming back to me. All right, so it's coming back to me. This is an extreme wind, so it's coming back to me. It's coming back to me. So it's, yeah, so the controller does help. All right, so if you guys want to know if the controller is any better by just using your phone or using your iPad or your iPad mini 4 or iPad mini 5 or iPad Pro, that a controller is actually better if you actually using it, especially if you go in a long range, because it's going to give you that dynamic range, guys. So that's what it does. So it's give you like extra boost. It's kind of like a Wi-Fi extender, I would say. But like I said, you know, you don't want to, like I said, you don't want to you don't want to ride this too far away. I mean, you know, you can barely see it. Look, I can barely see anything from here. It's like a black dot all the way down there, you know. So you don't want to take that risk. But it's a good thing. The good thing about this, it doesn't fly away because it's not a drone in the air, but you can say drone in the ground. So anyway, I'm coming back, and you can see here earlier, without no controller, I was pretty much stuck in this area here. I was pretty much stuck in this area. So it's a good thing to have that. If you're thinking about purchasing one, I would say it's totally worth it, and it's much easier too to handle, you know. Like, look at it. I mean, I'm not even hitting the edge. I'm like almost inline perfect. So if you want precision controlling, the controller would do you good. And now you guys can see I'm coming back now. See that? But like I said, I mean, that's pretty much far away. I mean, football field, to be honest with you, is like, it's more than a football field, if you would say. See? And now it's coming back. And here you go. It's a little bit bumpy ride. But like I said, if you want a smooth video, you would use the Osmo Action. But anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. But to be honest with you, you can go long range with just the controller with your iPad. You're gonna give you more range. Okay, again, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.